There we go. I saw it. Biggin, dude. Biggin. Biggin. I saw him eat. Oh. Oh, dude, biggin. I mean, biggin. Holy crap. Get up there. What's happening, guys? All right, so here is the plan. We got an hour to fish until the sun sets from right now. So actually by the time we get out there, you know, about 50 minutes. Good thing is the days are getting longer. So the sun's supposed to set at like 5:50, 5:55 tonight, something like that. And we're gonna take advantage of that, and we're gonna try and catch some frogfish. Let me know if you guys are sick of it in the comments section. I'm not sick of it yet. I don't know. It's January, I'm catching frogfish. So, I can't explain it. I like it. That's what I like. And when they stop biting, I'll move on to something else. But until then, we're frogging, guys. We will see you out at the pond. All right, guys. Here we are. We had a great time last time we fished this. But here's the difference. It's actually nice out today. It's not 50 degrees. So I'm guessing that they probably won't be biting. We'll see. I'd laugh if we had another great day like we did the first time over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was huge. Oh my god. Okay, put that back in there. That was a 6-pounder. Oh my god. Oh, thank God. Thank God I stuck with it, guys. Hopefully you can see that. I mean, it just slurped it too. Oh, jeez Louise. Oh my goodness. Thank God I stuck with it. Open water frog. That makes no sense at all. But I got him. And right in the top of the mouth. So they are hitting extremely, extremely late. Oh, healthy little fish. Small, but definitely healthy. All right, buddy, see ya. Guys, what's happening? So we're filming this intro a little late because we really sucked this morning. We couldn't catch anything. We finally just went to little trifecta ponds, and we caught about 8 fish. So anyway, guys, Paul from Far Outdoors, you guys know him. Check out his channel, hit that subscribe button. We're gonna keep on fishing. Hopefully we can slay a monster. We caught a decent sized one so far, but we want a bigger one. We need a 5+. I still haven't gotten my first 5+ for the year. I think Paul has though. Yeah, he's got his first 5+. This is crazy. That's what I'm supposed to be doing, not him. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, smell the bass. There you go. Little chatterbait. There we go. Got the little chatterbait, guys. Came after it. Little guy, the first fish of the day. Were they hitting you right at the bank?
Oh, out in the middle. Every time.
Really? I got hit coming right through the pads.
Right at the pad.
That's the prank. Maybe we can do over here, guys. Oh, I just burnt the crap on my finger. That's what I can do. There we go, biggin, biggin. Biggin, boy. Get up here. Nice. Woo!
Nice brother. Might be a little bigger, I can't tell. Oh, yeah, he's nice. Nice fish, Mike, nice fish. What do you think he weighs, Mike?
4.5. He's thick. He's not long though.
Got a fat gut on him though, doesn't he?
He might be fine. I don't know. I think he's more like 4.5.
I'd say he's going to be between 3.5 and 4 pounds. Just my eye.
Come on. Jeez Louise. All right, I need to get my scale and shit. I should have been bringing my backpack over. He's thick. That's what's throwing me off. Threw it right in there. Just smoked it.
Looks bigger when you're holding it.
4.
4 pounds.
Yeah, get release on this bad boy. Still. There you go. There you go. See you later, buddy. Thank you. Good fish. Oh. I felt him hit it once. Come on, you little fucker. I'm not supposed to cuss. It's a family show. Pound and a half. He's pretty thick. Hey, look how he choked that.
Oh yeah, took that all the way.
Yeah, they definitely wanted it. Wow. Ate that bad boy.
I'd like to get something close to half a pound.
It's about 1.5 pounds. He's pretty thick actually for the small fish. Oh. Alright guys, fish number 3. All in this little trifecta of ponds that we found. So, alright buddy, see you next time. Alright, well, we went to the new pond and Paul caught about 2.5, something like that.
GoPro start recording. Yeah,
It is so windy out. It's ridiculous. Boom.
Shoot a picture.
Yeah.
What do you think? 3?
Yeah, now I see a little bit better. About 3.5. Ready?
Did I get a weight or not?
My scale's right in there. No, top. No, yeah, that one. No, the other one you first had. Yep. There we go. Yeah, it feels. Yeah.
Four, 3.5, 4.
Yeah, probably. Alright guys, there we go. On the chatterbait. Chatterbait's the way to go today, guys. This is crazy. Alright guys, I'm trying to talk to you guys right now. Healthy fish, real fat. I'm gonna say what do you think, 3.5, 3? Something like that. I'm not gonna waste time trying to weigh it, guys. I'm gonna let it go. Probably. There we go. I saw it. Biggin, dude. Biggin. I saw him eat. Oh, dude, biggin. I mean, biggin. Holy crap. Get up there. That might be my PB, Paulie. Woo! Bucket friggin' mouth.
I wasn't even recording.
Oh my gosh, dude, that might be close.
Dude, that is a hog. Let me get shot down his mouth. That is a hog, bro.
Dude.
Better not come.
Dude.
Look at the gut on that.
He's a beast. I saw him. I was like, and he pulled drag. This pond in the background.
A monster, bro.
Get one down his mouth. I saw him, I was like, oh my God, he just ate it.
Get it?
Yeah, I'm glad I hooked him good.
Yeah, he would be coming.
All right, dude, this is a pig.
Reset. On you. Let me get a shot.
You've got to be kidding me. 7-1. That's it?
That's still a big ass fish, dude.
Yeah, but
It's still a big ass fish.
it's, I guess because it's short. I don't know. Guys, hammer of fish. 7 pounds, 1 ounce. Was that right, Paulie?
Yep.
7 pounds, 1 ounce. We decided to come down here and fish for like 15, 20 more minutes. Watched him eat it right at this little tube that we're fishing off of. And he pulled drag, and guys, look at that gut. That is ridiculous. 7 pounds, 1 ounce. Woo! One more look at that beast.
It's a good fish, bro.
God bless.
I know. Got good color too.
Really, really green here.
Dude, that's a good fish.
Yeah.
I wasn't even recording. Oh my gosh, dude, that might be close. Dude, that is a hog. Let me get shot down his mouth. That is a hog, bro. Dude. There we go. I saw it biggin, dude. Biggin. Biggin. I saw him eat. Oh. Oh, dude, biggin. I mean, biggin. Holy crap. Get up there. That might be my PB, Paul. Woo! Bucket friggin' mouth.